I'm Glenn from Global Heritage, and we're here at the New South Wales Caravan and Camping Show on the Masterpiece Caravan stand, and Ramon from Masterpiece is going to run us through the operation of our new Global Heritage awning on his Masterpiece Caravan. First, Ramon's going to unlock the travel lock and the travel handle from behind. And what we're going to do now is do the same on the other side, unlock the hatches, and we clip on to the travel lock and roll the awning out to your desired length. We're going to lock in the inner arms and the top rafter, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Lock in the top arm and the travel lock, and the awning will be in the 90 degrees angle. And it's that simple. And thank you very much, Ramon, for your help.
No problem at all. Would you like me to roll it back?
So we unlock the latch and the top rafter. We do the same on the other side by unlocking the latch and releasing the leg and undoing the top rafter. Put it back into the roll-up position and slightly guide it in. Lock the outer latches and the inner latch and complete the same on the other side. And it's as simple as that. Thanks again, Ramon, for all your help.
It's a pleasure.